This is SmartFrame. Take the time. Grab your Wi-Fi signal. No. Man, my Wi-Fi's pretty bad. And grab a bunch more data. Whoa, that's a lot of data. We've got Philips Hue integration. Darn it, I left that light on. Actually, I think I want it on. We can connect to your favorite Linux server. No, After Effects! No, stop rendering! No, slow down! There's only 2 new COVID cases in the city where I live. Well, now that we've got all of this data, we need to arrange it on a display, with a responsive layout that works on both wide and tall screens. I can use SmartFrame on a digital photo frame, a tablet, or even an old phone. Anything that can run Python and display an image is supported. With plugin templates like Single Number, Media Player, and Object Group, it's easy to make your own plugins and integrate your favorite services. So, what are you waiting for? Put your old tech to new use with SmartFrame, available on GitHub at the link below. If you want to develop plugins, learn more about the project, or get some help, join my Discord, also linked below. Special thanks to Volvo and Cannoli for helping get this project off the ground.